Words and then the Carly Bible. Love This Color Story by Jackie Aina. And Subcultures. I get a good subculture and I really do love and enjoy that one. And this is very pigmented and it's so beautiful. So these are all of the ADH. So these are the 3 Huda Beauties that I have in my collection. I got the Coral Obsessions, the Emerald Obsessions, and the Amethyst Obsessions. I just got this in my BoxyCharm and I love it. This I added on from Ipsy for $12 and this came in my Ipsy Plus. High End first, and this is my Purr collection. I got the Purr X Trolls World Tour Funk Edition. So I got this purpley neutral palette. I got this Purr Festival 2.0 palette, BoxyCharm, and I get a lot of palettes from Marshalls. If not Marshalls, then eBay. So I got this from eBay for full price. Purr X Barbie, Endless Possibilities, and I got this. This is gorgeous. These are my Too Faced collection. I got Too Faced chocolate bonbons. Pretty neutral but cool tones. This one is chocolate bar by Too Faced. Kind of like the same palette, but I really do enjoy this formula. This is the Razzle Dazzle one that really smells good. Marshalls. I got all my Too Faced from Marshalls, and this is sparkling pineapple. Smells really good and pretty rich. And I got one I got for free from Super Great. This is now Then and Now palette, and it's very big. To Natasha Denona, I got the Peak palette from BoxyCharm, and I got the Mini Gold palette. This one is a better formula than this $50, but this is exclusive for BoxyCharm, so it wasn't like my best formula. This is more better of a formula of Natasha Denona. I got 2 Hip Dot. I got Hip Dot and SpongeBob. I think this is such a beautiful palette. And Hip Dot Zion palette. Looks like that. Very beautiful. Here are all the subscription box palettes that I kept. And this one I actually bought off eBay. This Alamar Volume 1 palette. So beautiful. I heard great things about it, so I ended up purchasing that one. I got the Violet Voss 1 and 2 essentials. They're kind of neutral with a pop of color, so anyone can wear this without, being too scared of color, because I know a lot of people that like neutrals more than colors. I got the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette, and that's very beautiful. It feels like a fall palette, this one. This one again, actually I paid for this one, but this actually came in BoxyCharm, that people that received that palette. I got the Supreme Botanical palette from Ipsy. It's pretty neutral. This one, Blink Evening Glamour palette, pretty neutral. The Fiate London. I got Dominique Cosmetics. The Eloise palette, very colorful and pretty. I got Laura Sanchez Moods palette, that's very pretty, still need to use it. The Venice Fling, Baby Syrian, and Estate Cosmetics. I got Illuminati and Issa palette. Jeffree Star palettes, I got the Morphe Jeffree Star and the Mini Breaker. This is a really good quality, I really do enjoy it. Got this off eBay for $20, and this was full price from Ulta. Very pretty. All the Morphe palettes, the Morphe X Lisa Frank, and this is such a gorgeous palette. Really do enjoy that. Icy Fantasy. This is okay palette. I'm still going to keep it because I do love the color story and need to play more with this palette. I got such a gem palette. This is gorgeous, gorgeous quality. I really do enjoy this palette a lot. And this one is Boss Mood. And this is really good. I haven't tried this one yet, but I am excited. I do love the color story in this palette. Got all my NYX palettes. I got I Love You So Mochi. Colorful, so haven't dug into that one. This is the Brights palette. Beautiful. This is Utopia. And it looks like that. Very gorgeous. And Phoenix. Hey Becca and Urban Decay palettes. This is what it looks like. Very neutral, but so beautiful and unique. And the Wired palette. Very colorful. Got Juvia's Place. The Zulu. Very nice. Beautiful. The Warrior 3. Love the colors in this one. And the Magic Mini. Looks like that. Very beautiful. I really love the quality on these. So I got the Princess Color Pop, and it looks like this. I hit pan, my very first pan on a palette, so I'm very excited. You Are a QT by Color Pop. Very purple and beautiful neutral palette. This is a Misunderstood Feelings palette. I love the color story in here. and Midnight Masquerade. And these are really good quality. I really highly recommend any of these. My I Heart Revolution palette. This is Curses and Hexes. Very beautiful. I really like that color. That color. I like all of these. Very nice. I haven't tried this one yet. This is I Heart Revolution Tasty Chili. I'm excited. It's very neutral, but I like the pop of purple. This blue color is pretty. Excited to try that one. This one, I love the color story. This is Turkish Delight. Very beautiful. Love the color story. This one is Sour Cherry. Looks like that. Very cute. And this one is Black Cherry. Looks like that. Very cute. We have a lot of Revolution palettes. This is Wild Animal in something like that. Whatever. Wild Animal palette. This is gorgeous. I love the quality in this palette. It's very beautiful. It looks like a jewel tone palette. I highly recommend this one. This is the Roxy palette. And that's what she looks like. Very colorful. I really like the color story in here. It's very unique. I have 3 of these. I'll show you in a second. I have Self X palette. Then again, another neutral palette. I like to wear like neutral palettes when I have to go somewhere to like a meeting or something, appointments. And then I have 3 of these ones. I have the Utopia one, which looks like that, very beautiful. I have this right here. There's a fly flying around, and that's what she looks like. Very gorgeous. I really highly recommend this one. It's very gorgeous. And this Birds of Paradise. That's what she looks like. These ones are hard to work with, and then 2 pressed glitters. All in all, this palette is very gorgeous and colorful. I got the Foiled Frenzy Creation. This is okay. It's very hard to make, it's very like a wet feeling, very pigmented, but it's hard to work with. You have to use your fingers with this palette. This one is Euphoria. Very gorgeous. Still need to play with this palette. Love it. This is Jeweled. I can get it open. That's what she looks like. Very beautiful. This is Passion for Color. That's what she looks like. And Revolution Pro. And that's what she looks like. Vaughn palette I have is the Wonder Woman. That's what she looks like. Very gorgeous. Marilyn for this palette. The Moira palette Dreamscape. Very gorgeous. Love that. I can't wait to dig more into this palette. Very beautiful. So many BH palettes. I think this is the most in my collection is the Aurora Light. Very beautiful. Baked shadows. Love it. I got Take Me Back to Brazil Leo Edition. All the shimmers. Very beautiful. I got Take Me Back to Brazil. The original, it's mostly like matte, but you can see some shimmers. Very gorgeous. And Take Me to Ibiza. Love this one. And then I got Illusion. Trendy in Tokyo. Very colorful. I love it. Summer in Saint Topaz. Avocado Toast. My new one is the Nice palette. I got Daisy McCrease. Daisy palette. Very gorgeous. I got Fairy Light. I got the first edition. Looks like this. You pull it out and it's a second tray of colors. And then the second edition. Highly recommend these. It's hard to find these on eBay. That's what it looks like. And the Zodiac palette, which I hear great things about this palette, so I'm excited to have this in my collection. I have the Profusion palette from Walmart. I got the Spectrum and the Neon. Very colorful. I love it. That's what they look like. I got Love Struck. I haven't used this one yet. I'm excited. Very beautiful. I got this Starlit. Sunkissed. And the Mirage. I have the indie brands in my collection. The Beauty Creations Alicia. But it looks like the BH Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is Emotion Edit Collection Maya Crozen. This one is what is this one? From Mexico, I think. This one is similar to the brands. And this is Bella Forever, Memphis, Volume 2, and oh my gosh. I haven't dug into this one just yet. Hot Topic palettes, I got Wonderful Nightmare. Nickelodeon, which is my favorite. I got Now and Forever. Clueless, Totally Buggin'. I got Game Over, Mulan, very cute, I love the color story, Riverdale, Wonder Woman, The Handbook of the Recently Deceased, Hyperspace, No Place to Hide, Never Sleep Again. Of my eyeshadows, I got Beautiful Benefits Hollywood from Dollar Tree, Color Mates from Dollar Tree. I got 2 Profusions in here, I believe. These are my Project Pan for next year. The Metallics Festival. More palettes I want to try to hit pan or dips in. Maybelline Lemonade Craze. Soda Pop. Butter London. Hard Candy Electric Color. NBH Royal Affair. That is all my eyeshadows. Gosh, more eyeshadow palettes. We got the Balm Day to Night eyeshadow palette. That'll be easy to pan out. So hopefully next year I'll pan that out. Smoke and Mirrors. We got Hocus Pocus, Pirate, Ballerina and Vampire. I have the Essence Magical Forest. Beautiful palette. We got Woman Power. Dreamcatcher, and CoverGirl Nudes palette. The very last one is a Wish Upon that I found just now. And all of the palettes, I have 127 palettes. That is a lot, so I'm trying not to buy any more next year.